Hi, my name is Steve Vecchio. This is Shannon Vecchio. We're from Only Trees LLC. We are a tree trimming, removal, and mangrove service. We have four Vermeer stump grinders. We started with a 252, and then as we got busier in the stump grinding business, we added to our fleet. We also have a Vermeer skid steer, which we use a lot here in our yard and in some of the applications out in the field. Yeah, Vermeer at Southeast understands what we do. Pete, our sales rep in particular, understands what exactly we do and what would make our company more efficient.
He understands it, and he comes into the field to see how the equipment is being applied and how we're using it. We welcome them to our job sites so they can help us be more efficient. They're willing to do that. When they come out with a new product, they ask us, they come to us and say, hey, we just got this. We think this will be good for you. And they let us use it in the field.
The skid steer, for example, probably never would have thought we'd need a skid steer. Pete mentioned it to me, says, hey, this is what we're making right now. Do you think you could use it? I said no, and he goes, well, let me bring it down here and see if you can use it. And then we realized, hey, this is great, and we couldn't do it without it. We feel like they're helping us grow and be more efficient. And it's one less thing we have to worry about is when we have Vermeer equipment. Very first piece of equipment we bought in 2003, we realized very quickly, which was a chipper, a BC1000, that the amount of time and money that we saved because of the efficiency of having a chipper as opposed to a truck and trailer, it was amazing. So we feel so good about Vermeer. We buy things we don't even need that day or that week or that month, but it's there when we need it.